compute to 4 decimal places the value of cos 32 degree by the use of Taylor series. So you have to first expand the Taylor series, expand the function cos x. Here the function fx is equal to cos x by using Taylor series, and the value of x here given is equal to 32 degree. And how you expand the function cos x? From Taylor series, you know the function fx is equal to f of a, that means the value of the function at x equal to a plus x minus a divided by factorial 1, then the first derivative of the function at x equal to a plus x minus a whole square divided by factorial 2, then the second derivative of the function at x equal to a, then for the third derivative, fourth derivative, for the nth derivative. And here how you can expand the function cos x? Here you have to put the value of a equal to 0. If the value of a equal to 0, then the function will be how much? The function will be cos x, because a value is equal to 0. So you will define the function at x equal to x itself. So a value is equal to 0. So expanding cos x at a equal to 0 by the use of Taylor series, here fx is equal to cos x, a equal to 0. So what will be the value of f0? The first term is f0. So f0 will be equal to cos 0. Cos 0 is equal to 1. Then the first derivative, this is the f dash 0. So first you find out f dash x, then putting x equal to 0, you will find out f dash 0. So f dash x will be equal to minus sin x, because derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Then if you put x value is equal to 0, then f dash 0 will be equal to minus sin 0, and sin 0 is equal to 0, so f dash 0 is equal to 0. Similarly, second derivative of the function with respect to x, if you take the derivative of minus sin x with respect to x, that will be equal to minus cos x. And what will be the second derivative of the function at x equal to 0 or a equal to 0? If you put x is equal to 0 here, then f double dash 0, that is the second derivative, will be equal to minus cos 0. Cos 0 is equal to 1, so this is equal to minus 1. Similarly, you can find out the value of the derivative of the function for fourth derivative, fifth derivative, etc. Then what will be the function? The function is equal to cos x. The first term is f of 0, that is equal to 1. The second term is x minus 0, that is equal to x divided by factorial 1 into f dash 0, that is equal to 0. The next term is x minus a whole square, that a equal to 0, so it is equal to x square divided by factorial 2. Then f dash double dash 0, the second derivative, that is equal to minus 1, so here it is minus 1. The next term is x cube, because a equal to 0, so x cube divided by factorial 3, and the third derivative is equal to 0. In this way you can find out the next terms. So if you write the next term, then cos x will be equal to minus 1 minus, because this is equal to 0 and this is equal to minus 1, so minus x square by factorial 2, this will be equal to 0. Then next term will be equal to x4 divided by factorial 4. Then next term will be equal to minus x6 divided by factorial 6. In this way you can expand cos x, or you can write the Taylor series expansion for cos x. And we have to find out the value of the cos 32 degree up to 4 decimal places, and given, so here x value is given 32 degree, and we will write in radian, and 32 degree will be equal to 0.5582 radian up to 4 decimal places, because you see here we know 180 degree is equal to pi radian. So 32 degree will be equal to pi divided by 180 into 32. And what is the value of pi? The value of pi is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 32 divided by 180. That will give you 0.5582 radian. So 32 degree will be equal to 0.5582 radian up to 4 decimal places. And now substitute the value of x here in the expansion of cos x. You substitute here, then the first term will be equal to 1, next term will be equal to minus x square, x value 0.5582. So 0.5582 whole square divided by factorial 2, this term. Then next term will be equal to x4 divided by factorial 4. x4 means 0.5582 whole to the power 4 divided by factorial 4. In this way you can write the next term. And if you solve it, the first term will be equal to 1 minus, if you take the square of this quantity, then divide by 2, this will be equal to this much. And if you take the fourth power of this term, divide by factorial 4. Factorial 4 is 4 into 3 into 2, that is 4 into 3, 12 into 2, 24. If you divide by 24, then this will be your result. So the final result will be equal to 0.8402. So this is the value of cos 32 degree up to 4 decimal places, and we have find out the value by using Taylor series. Thank you.